Hi guys, how's it going? How to use multi-snap on Snapchat. First of all, go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, and make sure that you updated your Snapchat to the latest version by going to your Snapchat, right? Make sure that you update it to the latest version. Now what you're going to do, open up the Snapchat, and you're going to see on the right toolbar at the top left, you can see the arrow. Click the arrow to see the many tools, and you're going to see right here multi-snap. Basically, multi-snap allows you to take many pictures with just one click, right? Or many videos, not many videos, I think many pictures only, yeah, many pictures. So basically, you're going to take multi-snap right here. I'm going to show it to you. Just press, right? As you can see right here, you can take more than one, as you can see. Multi-snap is full, and as you can see, I took many snaps right here, over 10, right? And basically hit the check mark right here. I can just hit click send to, and I'm gonna be able to set the 10 Snapchat, or the 10 Snapchat pictures to my friends or as a public story. So basically, once you allow the multi-snap, and if I didn't allow it, I'm gonna be able just to take one picture and move forward to post it or share it with other some of them to my friends, right? But if I clicked the arrow thing at the top, right, click multi-snap, I'm gonna be able to take more than one snap, and I'm gonna just click edit and send, and then hit send to, and I'm gonna be able to send all the 5 or 10 multi-snaps to my friends or as a public story. So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.